Hi, it's Eli Stansel with the Fort Daniel Foundation. I want to let you know about a couple of things we've got coming up. If you're in the Macon area, on Monday at 6:30 p.m., April 6, 6:30 p.m., we'll be doing a presentation on Fort Daniel, the Peachtree Road, and the War of 1812 in North Georgia for the Okmulgee Archaeological and Research Society. It'll be on the Fort Hawkins property at the Visitor Center. It is free. It's open to the public. We do require that you wear a mask if you're coming. It is a city property, and that's a requirement that they have for us. So if you're in the Macon area or want to drive down, 6:30 p.m. on Monday. The second item is on May 15th from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. at the Fort Daniel site. At that site on that day, there'll be a partnership presentation for an open house between the Fort Daniel Foundation and the Gwinnett Archaeological and Research Society. It's free to the public. We're going to have the museum open and the lab open, so you'll be able to go in there and experience the archaeological side of Fort Daniel. We'll have living history interpreters who will be giving tours and demonstrations across the property. We hope that you'll be able to join us at the open house. It'll be a good time, and hopefully you can learn a little bit about the local area. As always, thanks for taking the time to review the information we've got. In the link below, I'll have information about the latest Gwinnett Archaeological and Research Society's bulletin that talks about some of the recent finds and research that's been going here locally in Gwinnett County. Until we talk to you again, hope to see you either Monday in Macon or on the 15th of May at Fort Daniel. Again, I'm Eli Stansel. Thank you.